Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be starting my first playthrough, and we're going to be doing it on Subnautica. This game is amazing. So, let's begin. Starting a new game. We're going to be doing survival. Oh, okay, here's the game. Oh crap, dude, this sounds exciting. Oh, dude, what's going on?
Launch in 3, 2, 1.
Oh, this is a big mothership above it. Dang, dude. We just got out of there, fam. Just in time. Hold on! Cheater! Hold, oh my god. Oh. Oh, we got knocked out. Oh, dude, we gotta get out of here. This thing's on fire. Okay, we got it. Okay, I'm guessing we get it. Fire extinguisher. Go, 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 go. Dude's coughing. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. I like the played like DJ music there for a second. Okay. Oh, okay.
Greetings, survivor. Great job not dying. To assist
Great
you
job
in
not
further
dying.
survival in emergency situations, you have been issued this personal data assistant. The interface visible now will organize your inventory, display currently available
Okay, so
construction
we have...
blueprints, and holds other valuable information.
Okay, so we can make a whole bunch of stuff.
Please take a moment to familiarize yourself with it.
Okay, so ping master, photo gallery, voice log, data bank, okay, inventory, etc. Oh, tab. Okay, so see, we got food, flares, and water. So we're good on that.
Situational assessment. Time T plus 3 hours since planet fall.
Use repair
Life pod
tool.
hull secure. Communications offline.
How do we make a repair tool? Repair tool, repair tool. Okay, magnesium, crawfish, sulfuric powder, and titanium. Okay, so let's leave. This is like my biggest fear.
Hull failure. Cause unknown. 0 human life signs detected
What?
in 100-meter range.
Okay. Yo, this game is so pretty.
Environment. Uncharted. Ocean planet. Oxygen, nitrogen, atmosphere. Water
Copper.
contamination. High.
So what was it we needed? Magnesium? Oh, we can get the fish.
Copper is an essential component of all powered equipment. Your probability of survival has just increased by 11%.
Okay, titanium. Yes, we needed titanium. I remember it. Oh. Forgot. Now see, I think... Wait a second. Does this work? Dude, we can use it as like a propulsion. Yeah. Okay, so lead. And we need magnesium. Can't go
Pods
down.
are equipped with a fabricator programmed to construct tools and render
Okay.
organic substances edible.
So we should cook. We can cook these fish, can't we? Yeah.
The fabricator cooks small organisms while disposing of the skeletal structure, bodily fluids, and internal organs, thus rendering them safe
It's the
for
future
human
for you.
consumption.
Okay, so we're good on food, we're good on water. Okay, so we're good. So now let's get a repair tool, because that's what the communications relay said that we needed. Crawfish, crash fish. Can't even read today. Magnesium. So I don't know where that's found, but I know where I can look probably. I remember watching Jacksepticeye. There was the crash powder is from these little things that live down here in these tunnels. These fish that quartz. Where are they? I don't see one. Where's gold? I need now...
Attention. Detecting increased
Okay.
local radiation levels. Trend is consistent with ongoing degradation of the Aurora's dark matter drive core due to
Oh,
damage
crap.
sustained
We're gonna drown.
during collision.
We're gonna
Continuing to
three.
monitor.
That was a close one. Okay, I didn't see any crash powder down there, so we're gonna have to look somewhere else. Swear. Okay, yes. No, what the? This is why you don't. Okay. Yeah, crashed fish, acid, or whatever.
Oxygen.
Okay, so now we need to find magnesium. I'm not necessarily sure where. Fish powder. But now we... I'll go ahead and cook these. But now we need to get the magnesium so that we can make the repair tool and fix the ship. So... Magnesium. You make magnesium. Oh, I was sitting there looking for it. So we need 3 salt deposits, which are those little white... Okay. So, salt deposit, salt deposit, salt deposit. Where is a salt deposit? Should be around here in the reef. We're also going to need to make an oxygen tank, just because I have to go up for air every 10 seconds. Ah, there's one. A 1. Back up for air. Ah, 2. And we need 1 more salt deposit. Oh my gosh, finally. There. I had to go 100 and... Yo, that looks scary. I don't like this. I have a big fear of the ocean in real life, so this doesn't help me at all. Okay. We're those fart monsters. Okay, here we go. So I got all 3. We got now we can make magnesium. We should be able to... Okay, so magnesium. Now we can make, yes, the repair tool. Okay, so we repair the... And, oh, that is so much better. Status okay, hull integrity okay. Secondary systems online, everything's online. Okay, that's good. Oh, we haven't repaired this. Communications relay.
A new message has arrived.
A new message?
Playing message.
This is an automated bounce back from the Aurora mining vessel. Your distress signal has been received. An emergency relief team will be dispatched to your location. The estimated arrival time, 9
hours. Oh my god. I don't trust that. They're never coming for us. We're stuck here and we're gonna have to stay here. Okay, so now so I guess our main goal is to explore, and to explore we're gonna need a boat. I mean, like a submarine or a sea moth. So let's start by getting a sea glide. Ingredients unknown. So we're gonna need a scanner so that we can scan the nearby area for fragments. So scanner, a battery. And to make a battery, acid mushroom. We just need acid mushroom. Good morning. Acid mushroom, check. In this episode, I'm hoping to maybe get the sea moth. So let's see. Scanner, battery. We got a battery. Now, scanner. Okay.
The handheld spectroscope scanner can be used to synthesize blueprints from salvaged technology and to record alien biological data.
We're infected.
Performing self-scan. Vital signs normal. Detecting trace amounts of foreign bacteria. Continuing to monitor.
There, okay, we're full on water, full on that. So now let's look for sea moth parts. Now, I heard there's a sea glide. We're looking for sea glide. I heard there's one near our ship. Okay, here's a wreckage. Okay, nothing. Okay, that looks like... Oh, milk. Yes, I know we need that. Bioreactor.
Oxygen.
Lab counter. Okay, so now we really need another oxygen tank, I think, first. Okay, I've changed my mind. We're gonna get a new oxygen tank before we look for sea moth fragments. Personal equipment, glass. And for glass, you just need quartz times 2. We already have one. Oh, there's a bunch of quartz in this hole. Wait, yeah. Equipment, oh. First we make glass. Okay, we got glass. And now we can make another, where is it? Equipment. OT, oxygen tank. We just got an achievement. Aqua lung. Go ahead and eat that now. I shouldn't have left it in there that long. Okay, so it automatically goes on 75 now. Okay, so that'll be a lot better. This should give us enough oxygen to successfully search for sea glide fragments. So if I had to guess, I'd say they're over here. I mean, I could be wrong. But I don't think they're in the reef. Not gonna go too far from the ship. Wait, hold up. Local build. We just need one more. So next step is probably gonna be
30 seconds.
Oh, what the hell? Back, demon! Yo, get the... Dude, this thing's trying to eat me. Holy shit.
Seismic readings suggest a quantum detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive core. The central dark matter
Quantum
reactor
detonation?
will reach a supercritical state. 80 minus.
What the hell do you
10,
mean?
9, 8,
Oh,
7, 6,
shoot.
5, 4.
Oh, dude, I'm ready. Okay, I'm ready.
3, 2.
Yo, fish. Oh my gosh. And they thought a nuclear bomb was bad. Could you imagine in real life if you felt that? Come back, fish. Okay, back to what we were seeing. I think that is a sea moth fragment. Not sea moth, sea glide. Oh no, it's just a chest. You know, I'll still take it, but... Oh no, it's a battery charger? Sea moth fragment. Yo, we might not even need a sea glide. We just find one more sea moth fragment and a mobile vehicle bay. We're good to go. You can actually go in there, but you have to have a laser cutter, I think. Something like that. Wait a second. Oh my god. Look where this was! It was underneath, inside of a box. And we still gotta find one more fragment. Oh my. We gotta find one more fragment, okay. Yo, I can hear the Aurora. Maybe it's down here somewhere. It's definitely somewhere in this area. Go. Oh yeah. I need that. Got a first aid kit. Okay, so what happens if we fix this? So it opens this door if we do, I think. The one right next to it. Yeah, okay. What's in here? Nothing in that crate. And then that... Okay, I can't really see anything in here. Wait. Okay, we gotta get out of here. We don't have much oxygen. And it's nightfall. Oh, a PDA though.
Integrating new PDA data. Oxygen.
Okay, let's read this PDA. For anyone that wants to read it, I'm gonna go ahead and... You can pause the video. Let's see. Where is it? Ah. Okay, search and rescue. So I'm gonna slowly slow down. Okay. Back to what we were doing. Aw, snap, we found another life pod. So maybe there was other survivors of the Aurora. I think there was other survivors. Open data box. Oh, we got a compass?
Acquired.
Oh, we gotta build it. Okay. Yo, what happened to him though? It looks like something busted through. It's either that or their life pod blew up. Okay. Oh my gosh. Thank Jesus we found one. Okay, we can finally build the Sea Glide now. Okay, so let's go build it. Okay. So what do we need? Sea Glide, a battery, lubricant, copper wire, and titanium. Okay, so I know for a lubricant you need crete vine, batteries easy, copper wire. Okay, so we just need lubricant basically. And for lubricant we need crete vine samples. So let's look at some crete vine. I think it's only ×1 lubricant. The battery is just these mushrooms and copper, and we have that. Okay, and now we're getting crete vine. Give me crete vine. Crete vine. Crete vine. Crete vine. Okay. I don't know how much I needed. I just grabbed a bunch. Okay, so now... See, we can make lube. Okay, so now... A battery. I remember I said we need one of those. Now we need copper wire and titanium. So copper wire, got that, and then titanium. I think we already have do you not have titanium? What? That's super easy to get though. Okay, so we got titanium. Okay, so we finally got titanium. We have everything we need for a Sea Glide. I'll make an extra battery later. Yes, we got our first vehicle. Technically a vehicle. Okay, so we got our flashlight on there. Okay. So we need to look for... Now we're going for... Yo. What the... Look at these rocks. Yo, reef bags.
Oxygen.
I can't breathe. There. So these floaters, they hold, that's what was holding the rocks up. Okay, so here's a wreck. Let's check this out. Okay, so we can build a bioreactor now. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but...
Oxygen.
Well, we're gonna explore this. I really want to explore this wreck down here. I think what I'm going to do is we're going to save it here, and then I really want to. I think what we're gonna do is I'm gonna come down here. I'm gonna save the game, and then tomorrow I will come down here and explore this. Okay, we're gonna need a laser cutter for that. Yeah, we'll do that next episode. Until then.